Preparing for your new build or renovation is the best time to get inspired about clever ideas that will bring a designer edge to your home. When designing my own home, I wanted to showcase the latest materials in a really beautiful way. So I've come here to talk to the experts at WK Quantum Quartz. Using a mix of their natural stone, reconstituted stone and porcelain, I was able to bring the latest design trends to life, giving my kitchen and bathrooms a stunning designer look. WK Quantum Quartz have a huge showroom where you can come in and browse the most beautiful natural stones, allowing you to hand select your own individual piece. For my kitchen island bench, I chose this stunning super white natural stone. I love the beautiful grey tones and interesting pattern. It's also very durable for natural stone, making it a great choice for my young family. To complement the super white, I chose the Costa Concreto 12mm porcelain for my rear bench, splashback and butler's pantry. Porcelain is incredibly durable and its fine profile meant I could get a really minimal edge and refined look. WK have porcelain sheets in both 6mm and 12mm profiles, so if you're looking for a high-end designer look that's on trend, check out the beautiful range of colours available. Throughout my home, I've complemented the natural stone and porcelain with reconstituted stone. I love the ultra-matte look and feel of this graphite matte grey stone. It worked beautifully framing my fireplace with its concrete appearance. If you're undertaking a new build or renovation, come down and talk to the wonderful team at WK, where you can see, touch and feel these beautiful stones in larger sheets and slabs. Give your home a unique and individual look with a beautiful range of stone from WK Quantum Quartz.